My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
UPS delivered this morning a beautiful silk Oriental rug. The dog has been using it for some time. Let me show you a revolutionary cleaning process that changed the way how Oriental rug should be cleaned. This is the XpetPee machine using the Dead Sea Minerals organic cleaning product. This is our secret. The Dead Sea Minerals flood the rug on the top, and the suction located under the rug vacuum everything through the rug. So all the pee-pee, the saliva of the pets, the dirt, the cleaning product that you use, everything's flush out through the rug, fall down to the pan, and pump out to the sewage. On the way to the sewage, we can see clearly what's coming from the rug. All the dirt, the pee-pee. This is what tell us how long your rug should be clean. We never use a scrubber because we are not a carpet cleaner. We clean Oriental rug. And scrubber designed to clean a restaurant floor, not a Persian rug. After cleaning the rug the right way, we vacuum the rug by hand and brush it gently. Nobody after us. The shine will go back to the nap. The rug will be dry on the floor for 24 hours. Upon delivery, we ask our customer, thank you for watching PetPeePee. My name is Mayor Martin.